If you're experiencing billing problems on Gmail, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issues effectively. This guide will help you navigate through common billing concerns. Step 1. Check your payment method. Ensure that your payment method is valid and up to date. Log into your Google account, go to the Payments and Subscriptions section, and verify that your credit card or payment information is correct. Step 2. Review billing history. Access your billing history to identify any discrepancies. In the Payments and Subscriptions section, look for recent transactions and check for any charges that you do not recognize or that appear incorrect. Step 3. Resolve payment decline. If your payment was declined, check with your bank or credit card provider. Sometimes banks block transactions for security reasons. Contact them to ensure there are no holds on your account. Step 4. Update subscription settings. If you have a subscription that is causing issues, consider updating or canceling it. Go to the subscriptions section in your account settings and make any necessary changes to your subscriptions. Step 5. Contact Google Support. If the issue persists after following the previous steps, reach out to Google Support for assistance. Use the Help Center to find the appropriate contact method, whether it's chat, email, or phone support. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most billing problems on Gmail. If issues continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from Google Support.